Rimuru Tempest, an anomaly in the world of slime, the founder and king of the Tempest Federation, a demon lord of Octogram, the transcendent slime with the ultimate skill of void god Azathoth, known far and wide as the Chaos Creator.